To me, chasing sunshine means being ambitious and giving it your all no matter what.
For me, chasing sunshine is going towards the light at the end of the tunnel no matter how hard things are right now.
For me, chasing sunshine means living in every moment, living in the present, chasing after your passions, and doing what makes you the happiest.
For me, chasing sunshine means not staying in the dark, and it's encouragement to look at the brighter side of things even when times are tough.
Chasing sunshine means being able to rely on everybody that loves you, that's surrounding you, maybe your pets or a hobby that brings you comfort, and letting that bring happiness, light, sunshine back into your life, no matter how tough it gets.
My mom always says, this too shall pass, and it may pass like a kidney stone, but it will pass. So chasing sunshine to me is persevering and getting through when times are tough because you know that there are better days ahead.
When I first thought of the theme, Chasing Sunshine, I genuinely thought of this image. And, I basically made every joke in the book about it. But then, I really thought about it, in terms of this band program and where it's been in the past and where it's headed now. To me, chasing sunshine means following your passions, being determined, and achieving success time and time again. I wish all of you an amazing season, and remember, there is light at the end of the tunnel. So keep at it and make your alumni proud.
The sun comes.